Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how to calculate the loan EMI, whether it is a personal loan, home loan or a vehicle loan. And in the second part we will also see how to calculate the repayment schedule so that you can determine how much interest you are paying and how much installment you are paying in your EMI. If you feel at the end the video is good, please like and share with your friends. Let's see friends. Let's start friends. First of all, I will write the loan amount. So for a moment, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lakh rupees is the loan amount. I will write rate of interest which is charged by bank or the lender. For a better understanding, I will write 8 as a percentage. Year of loan means how many number of years I will repay the loan. If it is housing loan, it must be between 15 to 20 years. If it is vehicle loan, it must be between 5 to 7. So for a better understanding, I will write the term of loan as a 10 years. Now repayment mode. So your installment will be generally on a monthly basis. So we have to write 12 in this cell. Now we have to calculate the EMI, means how much installment you will pay to the bank or the lender every month. That we will calculate. And the formula is equal to PMT, just bracket. Now rate of interest. As you are calculating the EMI on a monthly basis, so your rate of interest must be monthly. How to get it? Just select the rate divided by 12. So you will automatically get the rate of interest which is on monthly basis. Now I will do the comma. Now N per means how many installments you are going to pay during your tenure of the loan. So I will select this year of loan into number of month. So I will select repayment mode as a 12. Now I will do the comma. Now it is asking for PV, means what is the present value of loan. So in this case, the 5 lakh will be our present value of the loan. I will select this. I will just close the bracket and I will press enter. Oh, great. But you will tell, sir, why minus sign is coming? Because you are paying the EMI. So it is a cash outflow or bank outflow for you. So there will be negative sign. If you want to remove it, what to do? I will just press F2 in the formula. You can insert minus sign over here. Then your negative will be gone. But someone will tell, sir, I want this rupee sign to be replaced by dollar. How to do that? For that, I will press or I will do right click. I will just click on format cell. In that, you have to go to this currency. In that, you can select any currency. So there is number of currency. For a moment, I will select this English Australia dollar. I will select this. I will press OK. So the sign will be changed automatically. Now, again, I will back it to rupees. So I will press Ctrl Z. Now, the important point is how much total principal plus interest I am going to pay during my tenure of loan. How to calculate? It's very easy. Let's start friends. So I will just type is equal to. So this is my monthly installment. I will select this. How much or for how many month I will pay. So I will do like this. Year of loan or total number of year into my installment per year. So it will be this. I will press enter. So against the loan of 5 lakh, I will total pay 7,27,965. That will be my principal plus interest. If I want to calculate only interest amount, that is more easier than this. How to calculate? Let's say this is my total principal plus interest. So I will just select this. From that, I will deduct the loan amount like this. I will just press enter. So my total interest for 10 years will be 2,27,965. In this way, you can easily calculate the EMI. Hope friends, I have added some knowledge to you. If you feel till now the video is good, please like. Now we'll see how to prepare a loan repayment schedule. For that, we will start with this. Take an example, my loan amount is 7 lakh rupees. So I will just write this. Here the important point is I have to write interest on a monthly basis. Take an example, my annual interest rate is 9%. So I will just write 9 divided by 12 as I want interest rate on monthly basis. It comes to 0.75% per month. Now the total installment. Here we have to write total installment during the tenure of my loan. Means take an example, my loan is 5 years. Then I have to multiply with 12 months. It comes to 60. Everybody knows how to calculate the EMI. So I will quickly do that. Is equal to PMT formula. Everybody knows. Yes. Now rate. What will be the interest rate? I have already calculated monthly interest rate. I will just select this. Now comma and per means how many number of installment will be there. I will select this 60. Now we all know present value. What is the present value of loan? So it is 7 lakh. As you know, if I don't want the amount in negative, I have to just type minus sign over here. I will just do it. I will just close the bracket. I will press enter. So 14531 will be my monthly EMI. Now I want this table to be prepared for 60 months. What I will do? I will just like 1, 2, then I have to just select this and drag this, but it will take a lot of time. So I have prepared a video on this, but I will show you again. Just type 1, just click on this fill, click on this series. Here you want the series in the column, so I will select column. Stop value will be 60 because I want 60 months. Step value will be 1, so I will press OK. So Excel will insert the 60 numbers in my sheet. Now, what will be my principal amount? I will select this. For first installment, my principal amount will be my loan amount, which is 7 lakh. What will be my EMI? We have already calculated. I will select this cells. I will press enter. Now the important is how to calculate the interest amount. So interest will be on monthly basis and on principal amount. I will select the principal amount, multiply the same with the interest rate. Just do it. Yes. So 5250 is my interest amount. And out of this EMI, what will be my principal amount? So I will just calculate this EMI minus interest. So my principal amount will be 9280. Now, what will be my closing balance after paying the first EMI? So it will be principal amount minus this value. So can we say my closing balance is this 690719? Okay. And in the second month, what will be my principal amount outstanding? Can we say this one? So I will select this, press enter. My EMI is constant, so I will select from here. Now, I don't want to type or I don't want to select every time this EMI. So I will just freeze this cell. You can freeze it by pressing F4. I have already prepared video on this. It is called absolute and relative referencing. For a moment, you just presume you have to write F4. So dollar sign will be there. I will press enter. Now interest amount. Again, we have to calculate interest amount. Can we say it is on principal amount into rate of interest? I can also freeze this cell. So my interest cell is also freeze. I will press F4. I will press enter. Now, what will be my principal amount? In this case, it will be EMI minus this interest amount. So the principal amount is 9350. You will observe principal amount will increase after payment of each and every installment. What will be the closing balance? It will be this opening balance minus this principal amount. I will press OK. Here, if you don't want the decimal, you can select this data up to end. You can just do the comma sign and you can just reduce the decimal by decrease decimal. Yeah. Now, if I want this answer to be appearing in all the following cells, what to do? I will just select this. Now you can also copy this. You can also do like paste this, but it will take a lot of time. So what is the shortcut? Just select this. Just go at the end of this and just do double click. Oh, so your table is filled up. Let's check. It is ready. Oh, it's ready. Now you can see I have already put a formula over here. If I want to cross check, let's take an example. My total principal and interest will be this EMI into number of installments. So I will just select this. I will press OK. So my total principal plus interest will be 871,850. What will be my interest amount? Total interest is this minus principal amount. Yes, okay. Now we can cross check this. How to cross check this? Let's calculate my total principal amount. I will just write alter is equal to. I will just press enter. So 7 lakh. Let's check whether our 7 lakh is there or not. Yes, we have taken the 7 lakh and the interest amount is 171,851. Let's check it. I will write the formula alter is equal to 171,851. In this smart way, you can easily prepare the loan repayment schedule. Friends, if you feel the video is good, please share it with your friends. If you are new, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.